All right, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 11th, 2020. Here to give you all this update in Tesla. Yes, this video is going to be about Tesla. We're going to give you all an update on what we're noticing in the price chart for Tesla, because if you guys don't understand, the market moves off the price chart. And if you can understand how to translate what the price bars and volume mean, you can actually profit off of the next market movement in the stock market. Simple. So if this is your first time watching our video, hit that subscribe button. If you appreciate the content, make sure you like the video and share it. Follow us on our website, HueFinancial.com, in order to see more of our stock price predictions, forecasts, the simple way, without causing you any confusion. All right, so let's talk about Tesla stock. The last video that we did in Tesla was a very long time ago. It was on March the 13th, 2020 when we did our last video in Tesla. And that's when the market dump was going on across the global economy, where the majority of all the stocks were seeing double-digit gains. Not gains, but double-digit losses going on seemingly almost every day. And Tesla wasn't the exception. It was doing exactly the same thing, moving lower. And we saw that on the 13th of March. So now, clearly you can tell that our forecast that we had in this space for Tesla was for it to continue to move lower. And immediately the next day, on the 16th of March, the market came already hit the TP. 15.77% done. Simple. We saw it. That's the only way that you can maintain and obtain profitability, is by being in the market prior to the next market move. So 15.77%, you guys can clearly tell that's how the market played out. If you was able to time it on the bottom around 360 to where Tesla came and found support, 31.22%. All right, so let's get rid of it. So now let's talk about what we're getting into the market right now in Tesla stock. I want to show you the weekly time frame in Tesla, right? So over the last couple of weeks, the last 4 weeks, the market in Tesla has been making higher lows, which is very positive. Second thing, to conclude out last week's trading, we closed at the high of the bar. There's still demand from the market trappers to push Tesla stock higher. Those two things alone already shows us that there's still a little bit more strength in the market in Tesla. So let's get rid of that. Don't want to make it too confusing on anyone. Let's take a look at Tesla on the 4-hour chart. You guys can tell that we are coming across some restriction. I'm telling you that now. Around $600 to maybe around $590 is where the market in Tesla is finding restriction. But you know what? The market trappers love that. 3-hour chart. Not a lot of trading occurred in the market in Tesla, based off the very small spread. That lets you know that we also are coming across a restriction level of about $590 to $600. It's where the restriction level lies for Tesla. So let's take this back over to the daily time frame. Like I stated, the weekly time frame, we're making higher lows into the market. We close at the high of the last completed weekly price bar. So we're still seeing hints of market strength coming through in Tesla, but the concern is restriction. So to put that in the playbook, you could play the continuation of movement higher in Tesla, but just understand that there's restriction around 590. Okay, so still about a 4% profit gain into the market in Tesla on the advent of us seeing some weakness in this space. Take a look at it on a weekly time frame. So yeah, we'll have to TP around $590 to $600. We definitely have to do that, but I'm going to extend it up just a little bit higher just to compensate. If we were to get a very wide spread into the market, and the demand in Tesla was definitely coming through. Okay, so we're going to play the market in Tesla to continue to see higher price. Looks pretty well right now, but definitely keep in the back pocket. Understand that $590, $600 is where restriction level lies. So that's why we're going to go ahead and do a TP in the market in Tesla at $590 to $600 around that particular vicinity. Okay, so this is it. Simple to see, simple to understand, and we're going to play this on the daily time frame. Okay, so let me bring this over. All right, so there you go. I mean, you guys got questions and comments, let us know. You know where we at. Follow us. I'm out.